quality service, customer loyalty, to set new milestones in customer service, to make Prima equipment a quality icon, innovative technology, to impart awareness among society for environment conservation, to provide world-class products locally. Industries we serve: iron and steel, chemical, power plants, cement, textile, biomedical and hazardous waste, sugar and distillery, chlor-alkali, aluminium, petrochemical and refinery, dyes and intermediates, pharmaceutical, fertilizer, paper, food and beverage. Corporate philosophy: think globally, act locally, put in action in actual sense. Gives valuable suggestions, offers customized technical solutions based on actual needs of a customer. Prima, a company which is concerned about the most cherished dream in the world: life. The team at Prima acts towards making the dream true.